Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a no makeup look. This is perfect if you are a YouTuber and you want to wear some makeup out but don't have time to film until you get home, or if you just want to go to the grocery store and you want something, you want to at least look alive, you know. I know I look pretty scary in the morning sometimes. Or if you go to work and you don't want to do like heavy cakey makeup or something and you just want something. You want something on your face. You want something to give you life. This is a good look to do. I give some pointers out for you guys on what I like to go and make sure that I do on a no makeup look, because everyone is subjectional. Everyone has a preference. It is what it is. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also be sure to go and hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you guys a part of this family. It would mean so much to me. So let's just jump right into this video. I'm going to start off with my Cover FX primer. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a couple dots and put that all over my face. Now this one is a blurring primer, which I think if you're doing an everyday kind of look, you don't necessarily need. You just need something to lock your makeup in place. And if you're like me and you don't wear foundation, using a primer will help have everything else stick on your face. So, I mean, this is really just preference. I don't like to wear foundation. I can't. I'm allergic, if you guys are new to my channel. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub that in and really make sure that I tap my nose and put some on my forehead, because pretty much everything is one big pore on my face. It's just the way it is. And if I sound like I got a frog in my throat, I woke up today, like, earlier in the morning, and I had, like, some allergies and stuff going on. The weather's changing quite a bit, so it's starting to rain, or trying to. So, that's why I sound like this. I get some allergies sometimes, so sorry about that. I'm actually going to be taking this Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Plum Rose. I do like to use this as eyeshadow, as a really nice light transition shade. We're just going to be putting this straight into the crease. We're not going to be building it up too much. It's just going to be enough to give it definition. So you're just going to go ahead and buff that into the crease. And I just like to leave it very, very light, just a little added definition. It's not too much from this eye, it's just a little bit. Some people like to put in bronzer, sometimes people like to put in a contour shade. I just thought that this color specifically looked a little bit more put together to me for my skin tone than a bronzer would look like. I actually put something on my face. Sometimes it would be easier for me to put on blush because my skin, you can't see it, but my skin is actually very pinky undertoned. It doesn't pick up on camera, I'll tell you that much. And my fair skin tone doesn't really pick up on camera either. But that's also very natural to me. So if you just have blush or you use your contour shade, you know, you can just throw that in the crease and it will still look very, very natural on you guys, because it is a natural shade. Now the next step that I do is I'm going to put on a little bit of blush. This is the Maybelline blush in the shade Pink Rose, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the apples of my cheeks. I don't do anything really besides just rosing them up. As you guys know, sorry, I'm looking at my phone to go and do this. I don't normally wear I don't wear bronzer. I have a hard time finding a good bronzer shade. So if you apply bronzer and would rather apply bronzer, that is perfectly okay. To go and give yourself a nice warm, like a warmth, bring some warmth to your face. And that would really help if you guys do wear foundation. That would also help to make your face look less flat, because I know that even if I don't wear foundation, my face kind of does look flat. So I think blush is a nice added touch. It gives an appearance of more lifelike to me than actually adding bronzer, but that's just my own opinion. You don't have to follow it. That's just my own. So I'm going to be taking my Essence waterproof eyeliner. It's just a plain black one, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lashes. I'm going to actually put it right over here and just kind of make it so the lashes look like they're thicker. without putting on falsies or anything like that. It just makes my lash line look thicker and make the appearance of that I have a thicker lash line than what I really do. Because, I don't know, I just find that it looks a little bit better on me, and it kind of gives a little, you know, mirage that I got luscious lashes, which I think my lashes are okay. They could be better, but that's okay. Got some old eyeliner on my face because makeup wipes don't remove it all. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do it on this eye. Now for this, you can use whatever kind of eyeliner you like. You can use a pencil, you can use a pen. I mean a felt tip, that's what I meant. I didn't mean a pen. Don't take a pen to your eyes, that's unsafe. So I'm just going to go and just draw a line. I mean, that did come out wonky, but I'm using my right hand. And I'm predominantly a lefty, so that's okay. It is what it is. But that's what I like to do. I definitely think it just, like I said, it just gives the appearance of thicker, luscious lashes, which I know I really don't have. So if I can go and give the appearance of that, then I'll fake it till I get it. I'm taking my Physicians Formula translucent powder pearl thing. And I'm going to be taking my highlighting brush, and I'm not really going to go into it too much. I'm just going to go ahead and just highlight right where my cheekbones are. Now this one isn't very a shimmery or like a glittery one, so I'll just use this to kind of give my skin like a little bit of a sheen to give the appearance that it's all natural, which, you know, it could be. It's not natural, obviously, but my skin is actually pretty oily, and that kind of gives the illusion of a highlight, because I've noticed sometimes on my face it does look like I have highlighter on sometimes when my skin is just pretty darn oily. So, I mean, it does look natural in some way. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm not going to build it up, but I am going to be taking it like this. And mostly this is where I get oily, down in here, wherever my glasses sit, on my forehead, my chin. So I mean, it just depends on your skin type. You can go really heavy and just make you look like you're glowy and really just lit from within type of thing. I kind of just like to keep it as just one of these. Like I said, this is usually the makeup that I do when I'm about to take it off and film something else. So that's why I have a no makeup type of thing around everywhere. But I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly coat my lashes. I'm going to do that off of camera to save me some time. When it comes to a no makeup kind of thing, I always like to make sure my lashes are very, very voluminous and just really at their best I can make them. Because if you're not going to do any makeup, at least have your lashes look, you know, that kind of thing. I always think it's a really good thing to do. You know, it just gives a little bit of something extra and gives you the glittery effect. But what girl doesn't like making their lashes look very long and luscious? Like, that's one thing I want to know. Is there a girl out there that doesn't want their lashes luscious? Okay, so even though we're doing a no makeup look, brows are in my opinion, in my humble opinion, brows are the most important thing to do. I could just do nothing else, just put on mascara and like a gloss, and I can just do my brows. I have to do my brows. I think, in my opinion, they look better than this hot mess I got going on here. Now, there probably is still product in there from yesterday. I wouldn't doubt it if there is. But I do make an effort to take off my makeup. I think I just gotta get more makeup wipes. But normally when I do a no makeup, I do stick with a pencil or a pomade. I don't do powder or anything like that. I find it a lot easier and more time friendly using a pencil. I mean, I'm pretty quick with a pomade, so I can't really say, oh, don't use a pomade. But I would stick to a pomade or pencil. Plus, normally for me, when I am doing my brows, I don't normally take them off until the end of the day. So I always make sure my brows are up to par. Because like I said, even though I don't normally do a no makeup look, I usually always Um, okay, if I'm doing a no makeup look and I'm just going to town with my fiance and we're just doing whatever, or we're going to Columbus and I need something, I don't need something, but I want to do some makeup, but I also have to film. So pretty much I'll just do something like this and I won't have to worry about taking off my brows. I could easily just go on top of whatever makeup I have and build from that. So today is going to be one of those days that I am going to be pre-filming, so you probably will see this look quite for like one video or so. You'll notice that in the outfits that I wear, if I'm pre-filming or not. But I just like to keep my brows very simple. I don't do anything drastic. I usually like to keep my brows very, very close to the shape that they're already in. I find that it looks a lot more flattering on me. Sometimes I draw in a little bit of an arch. Not a lot, I just go like that and just draw one in. 9 times out of 10, I don't draw what I don't have. Excuse me. If I'm having a good natural brow hair good day, where all my brows hairs are looking the way they should, and they're looking really good, then I don't like to go in, then sometimes I'm adventurous and I do give myself a little bit more of an arch, usually like right over here. Sometimes it works out on that one, sometimes it doesn't. But 9 times out of 10, I don't normally give myself something I don't have. Okay, so lips. That's where it gets very, very personal, because some people would rather go in with a lip gloss, so to speak, or some people would rather go in with a traditional bullet lipstick that's just a little bit darker than your skin, their lip color, or just a My Lips But Better kind of color. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Fenty lip gloss. I've been loving this so far, and it's the Fenty Glow. But it's just a really natural shade. It's universal, so I think maybe investing in this, if you are into lip gloss, it would be something that you can wear on a no makeup day, because it would make you, I just feel like it would give enough color to your lips without just wearing a straight up lip balm, and will just give you a little bit of a color and just kind of pull everything together, and won't look too as dramatic as wearing a traditional lipstick bullet or wearing a liquid lipstick. So 9 times out of 10, if I'm doing a no makeup look, I'll go in for a gloss. I'll go in for this rose gold one because it looks very, very natural. But I'm going to go in with this one today. Alright you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and if you do like doing a no makeup looks, let me know what you like to include and what you prefer to do on your face as opposed to what I do, because like I said, everything is very personal when it comes to a no makeup look. So I hope you have a nice good day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.